Lila and the Starlit Compass, the quest for the lost stars. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Lila. Lila loved to look up at the night sky. She would spend hours watching the stars twinkle and shine. One night, as Lila was gazing at the stars, she noticed something strange. The stars were disappearing. One by one, Lila felt a pang in her heart. She loved the stars so much and couldn't bear to see them vanish. The next morning, Lila went to her very wise grandmother. "Grandma, the stars are disappearing. What can we do?" she asked with big, worried eyes. Her grandmother smiled softly and handed Lila an old, dusty compass. "This is a magical compass, Lila. It can guide you to the lost stars, but you must be brave and kind on your journey." Lila took the compass and watched as it began to glow and point in a direction. She followed the compass out of her village, into the dark and mysterious forest. The trees were tall and whispered secrets as she walked past. Lila was a bit scared, but she knew she had to be brave for the stars. As she walked deeper into the forest, she heard a soft cry. It was a little bird, trapped in a bush. Lila gently freed the bird, who thanked her and said, "I am Pip. I will help you on your quest." Lila smiled and felt a warm feeling in her heart. With Pip by her side, she felt a little less afraid. They continued their journey until they came to a bubbling brook. The compass pointed straight across, but the water was too deep for Lila to cross. "How will we get across?" she wondered aloud. Just then, a friendly fish named Finn popped up. "I can carry you across on my back," said Finn. Lila and Pip climbed on Finn's back, and he swam them safely across the brook. On the other side, they found themselves at the foot of a tall, rocky mountain. The compass glowed brightly, pointing up the steep path. Lila took a deep breath and started to climb. As they climbed higher, the wind began to howl, making it hard for Lila to keep her balance. But she remembered her grandmother's words and stayed brave and kind. Halfway up the mountain, they found a small cave. Inside the cave was a lonely bear named Ben, who was crying. "Why are you so sad, Ben?" Lila asked. Ben sniffled and said, "I lost my favorite shiny rock." Lila and Pip looked around and soon found the rock under some leaves. Ben was so happy that he gave Lila a big bear hug and offered to help them climb the rest of the mountain. With Ben's help, they reached the top of the mountain, where they found an old, wise owl named Oliver. Oliver knew all about the stars and explained that a mischievous cloud had taken them away. "You must go to the Cloud Castle and ask the Cloud King to return the stars," Oliver said. Lila, Pip, and Ben thanked Oliver and followed the compass to a tall ladder made of moonbeams, leading up to the sky. Lila climbed the ladder carefully, feeling a mix of excitement and fear. She was determined to bring the stars back. When they reached the top, they found the Cloud Castle, which was big and fluffy. The compass pointed to the grand doors, which opened slowly. Inside, they found the Cloud King sitting on his throne. Lila stepped forward and said, "Please, Cloud King, can you return the stars? The night sky is so sad without them." The Cloud King looked at Lila with kind eyes and said, "I took the stars because I was lonely, but I see now that everyone misses them. If you can make me a promise, I will return them." Lila nodded eagerly. "Anything, Cloud King. Promise to visit me sometimes so I won't be lonely," said the Cloud King. Lila smiled and promised. The Cloud King waved his hand, and the stars began to appear back in the night sky. One by one, Lila, Pip, and Ben cheered with joy. As they started their journey back home, Lila looked at the sky and felt proud. She had been brave and kind, and now the stars were shining again. With the glowing compass in her hand, she knew she would always be ready for new adventures. The moral lesson of the story, Lila and the Starlit Compass. The quest for the lost stars is about the importance of bravery, kindness, and helping others. Lila's courage and compassion lead her to help those in need, and in return, she receives help and friendship that enable her to complete her quest. The story also highlights the value of empathy and understanding, as Lila's promise to visit the lonely Cloud King restores the stars, showing that addressing others' feelings and loneliness can lead to positive outcomes for everyone.